Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and are watching a 4-star property. In this property, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than thousands of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its rating is 7.7. Check-in time in this property is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this property is 11 a.m. If you have stayed in this property, you can send your experiences via comments. For booking or get more details about this property, please check the description. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property.